Cadence, where's your camera? Logan, I didn't say you. The other Logan. Sorry, I did say Logan. Not you, Logan Westland. Logan B. All right. Your test is tomorrow, so this is our final day of reviewing. If you have any questions, stop me at any time so we can answer our questions. Remember, if you can cross multiply, then cross multiply, okay? You cannot always do that, though. If you can simplify, then please simplify, okay? Final day, do your personal best. Take it slow. Don't do anything crazy. Landon's going to stop doing, not Landon Rebus, Landon in my class is going to stop doing whatever he's doing over there.
The thing is, you should.
All right. Give it a try, friends. 2 over 8 times 3. 2 over 8 times 3. You can't change those. Just leave them. One is simply a 1. Can't change it. Yes. What were you doing the past 6 minutes before Math RTI started? Let's go. All right. This one should be a little bit simple, so we're going to go over it. All right. So you can show me your boards now if you would like. 2 over 8 times 3. I need to put 3 over 1. There's no way to cross simplify any of this. No cross simplifying. So 2 times 3 is 6. 8 times 1 is 8. I can divide all of these by 2 because they're even. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 4, or 8, sorry. 2 goes into 8 4 times. Your answer should be 3/4. When I say your name, you can put your board down. Haley, put your board down. Jameson, put your board down. Ethan, you're good. Blake, you're good. Mackenzie, you're good. I kind of also need to see your face, too. Landon, you're good. Logan, you're good. Rochelle, you're good. You're good. All right, it looks like everyone else is good. Any questions on that specific problem?
No.
We're good? All right, we're going to move on then. All right. We have 3 over 4 times 3 over 7. 3/4 times 3/7. Three-fourths times 3/7. No, it does not go into 28. All right, friends. We have 3/4 times 3/7. There's no way to cross simplify, so we just have to multiply straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 7 is 28. As far as I know, nothing goes into 9 and 28, so your answer should be 9 over 28. Nice and simple. 9 over 28. Let me see your boards, friends. 9 over 28. Looking like everyone got it. All right, new problem.
I erased it right there.
Okay. 1 3/5 times 2/10. 1 3/5 times 2/10. Cross simplify, Michaela.
Two and eight, I will see the numbers. Speaking of the oh, wait, yeah. Keep forgetting about that.
Always.
He looked for it.
Yeah, I'm going to do a comedian act about all the things that happened to me while at school.
I saw this one ad, and it was like saying how like a guy came up to him and saying he was like funny, and then he said, and then the guy said, when you were doing like the way that you looks like you would play like an instrument, and then he said like, I do, but just not right now.
Okay, remember, you're right by my screen, so people can hear you, okay? All right, let's work this out. We have 1 mixed number. We need to turn into an improper fraction, which is times the denominator and the whole number plus the numerator. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So now I have 8 over 5 times 2 over 10. I cannot cross simplify 2 over 5, but I can cross simplify the 8 and the 10 because both of those will go into 2 evenly. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 over 5 times 2, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. Multiply across. So someone, Ethan, you did not cross simplify. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 5 is 25. Your final answer should be 8/25. Mia, you did not change your mixed number into an improper fraction. You cannot just pretend like that 1 doesn't exist. You have to multiply the numerator by the whole number. Add the the denominator by the whole number. Add the numerator. Your final answer should be 8/25. Yeah, Ethan, I know. It's just you could have been simpler, sir, if you cross multiplied. Remember, cross multiplying just makes your job simpler. If you're doing the problem right, without cross multiplying, you can still get the same answer. It's just that it makes it simpler. That's all. All right. 3 1/3 times 4 3/12. 3 1/3 times 4 3/12. Landon, I don't want your camera facing your board. I want everyone to have a chance to solve their own problem, sir. Yeah, but I can read it, Landon. Okay, just please don't have your camera facing your board right now. 3 1/3 times 4 3/12. This one's a little bit longer of a problem. But I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. What? Michaela's hating on me.
What? I said, please don't believe in
Why don't
me.
you cross simplify, Michaela?
I
Didn't. You did not cross
Oh,
simplify.
wait. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting about 2.
This one's a little bit longer. Take your time. Remember, don't feel panicked. Just do your personal best. We're going to go over it regardless.
Did someone please stop doing that?
All right, furry friends, let's give it a try. It's okay if you're not done. This one's definitely longer. We're going to do it together. So stop where you are and we'll figure it out together, okay? So the first one, changing that mixed number into an improper fraction shouldn't be too hard. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10 over 3. But the next one is much longer. We have 4 times 12, which is 48, plus 3, which is 51 over 12. Now, can I cross simplify? Well, yes, we can. We can cross simplify both directions, actually. Fun fact. So 10 and 12 can both be divided by 2. And 3 and 51 can both be divided by 3. So 10 becomes 5, 3 becomes 1, times 51 becomes 17, 12 becomes 6. So now I need to multiply 17 times 5 because Mrs. Kneifel doesn't know that off the top of her head, which is 85 over 6. Obviously, we cannot leave 85 over 6. We need to divide. How many times can 6 go into 85? 1, 2. It can go in 12 times.
No, 14.
No.
Mm-hmm.
It can go into 8 one time, which is 1.
8 minus 6 is 2.
Good job.
8.
All right. 1, 24, 1. Okay, so 14 and 1/6. Look, my board is full. It's totally okay if you didn't finish that problem all the way. Totally fine. The important part was if you cross simplified, it would have been way easier. And obviously 51 isn't the most common number ever. But you could have tried, obviously, 1. It wouldn't have been 2 because it's even. So the highest one it could have been was 3. But we know 12 is a multiple of 3. So if you have 12 times 4, it's still going to be a multiple of 3. And then all we did was add another 3. So we knew that number should have been able to be divided by 3. What? I just said that. That's what I was explaining. It's right there. So, anyways, definitely a long one. Totally fine if you didn't get it all the way. But it looks like some of us did. Obviously, that was a lot longer of a problem. But guess what? You just got to stick with it.
Yeah, I got 255.
I think that's clean.
18. Obviously, I didn't do it right.
All right, try this one. 7/8 times 4 over 21. 7/8 times 4 over 21. We don't need coasters.
I think you're saying if we have one.
We don't need a coaster. No one's using coasters. Seven eighths times 4/21. Dun, da, da, da. Michaela, have you heard of cross simplifying?
I am.
Where did you do 88?
Yeah, I have no idea where that's from, girl.
4 times 21.
Why would you do 4 times 21?
Because I'm trying to make it into an improper fraction.
You
have
don't
the
need
whole
to. They're
number.
all, there's no mixed numbers.
You-
This
you
is a regular problem. 7/8 times 4/21. We're not changing anything into an improper fraction because there's no mixed numbers. All we have there, we do not have to change anything into a mixed number or anything like they're just fractions. All we have to do is simplify.
You said 4/4.
Did you look at my board? You're literally sitting directly next to me. It's not my fault you didn't look.
I thought I saw 4.
All right. We have to cross simplify first, and we can cross simplify both ways. Fun fact. We can do 4 and 8 by 4. So the 8 becomes a 2 and the 4 becomes a 1. And 7 can go into itself and 21. So 7 becomes a 1 and 21 becomes a 3. So now we have 1 times 1, which is 1, and 2 times 3, which is 6. 1/6. That one should be pretty simple. 1/6.
I have no idea where I did it like this, but I made it easy.
1/6. 1/6. 1/6.
It sounds like that thing from Home Alone where the guy who.
Okay, we're not telling stories. We're focusing on math, okay? All right, I want you to make this a improper fraction. Right now we have a mixed number. Make it an improper fraction. That's all you're doing. There is a mixed number. Make it an improper fraction.
I love cows.
I thought you loved pandas, but okay.
I love dogs.
Shh, friends. You're sitting right next to my computer, which people can hear. So our voices have to be off. All right, once you make this an improper fraction, show me your board. Isabella H, yours is not correct. Where's your denominator? You can't just have a numerator. That's just a number. Isabella H, where's your denominator? Thank you, Isabella. Everyone else's that I'm seeing looks like it's right. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 4 is 44. Our denominator is 5. You should have had 44/5. And it looks like everyone that I saw had that.
Riley.
All right, give it a try. 3 7/10 times 1/2. Mm. 3 7/10 times 1/2.
You know, I got this exact answer on my quiz.
Oh, nice.
I'm trying to write my twos like this, but I never can remember.
All right, friends, eyes on the board. First step, we need to change this mixed number into, Paisley, you didn't make that in the simplest form. We need to make this mixed number into an improper fraction. 3 times 10 is 30, plus 7 is 37/10. times 1/2. I cannot make that. I cannot cross simplify. So I have 37 over 20. I cannot leave it like that. That's an improper fraction. I need to divide. How many times does 20 go into 37? One time. 37 minus 20 is 17. So I am left with 1 whole and 17 over 20. 1 whole and 17 over 20.
Yeah, I did it.
Remember, you have to go down to simplest form. You cannot leave improper fractions in proper fractions. Otherwise, you're going to get answers wrong.
Like 275 over 18.
Because he likes to make me mad.
I'm used to it.
Yeah, well, it makes me crazy every single day.
What?
It's empty.
It's murder.
All right, let's give this one a try. Last problem. 5 3/5 times 2 2/4. 5 3/5 times 2 2/4. Final problem of today. I'll give you about another minute. P-I-F-E-L.
Don't get
This is right
mad.
there.
Tough one.
Don't get mad if I write something in with
I never get mad. Everyone spells it wrong. It's okay.
Everybody spells my name wrong.
All right, friends. Eyes on the board. First step. I need to change my mixed numbers into improper fractions. 5 times 5 plus 3 is 28 over 5. Times 2 times 4 plus 2 is 10 over 4. Now I can definitely cross simplify. I can divide 10 and 5 by 5. I can divide 28 and 4 by 4. So 28 becomes 6, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 7. Becomes 7, 5 becomes 1, times 10 becomes 2, and 4 becomes 1. So 7 times 2 is 14, 1 times 1 is 1, which equals a plain old 14. Friends, you're being really distracting. Did you watch me solve that? No. No, you didn't. Your answer should be 14. All right, tomorrow on your math test, I know you will do super good. I believe in you all. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. And we'll see you all tomorrow. If you're in my homeroom, we have language arts this afternoon.
Don't believe in me. You're gonna be like us.
Quickly.